In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to log into MLS Matrix Miami. Let's get started. Before we begin, make sure you have Miami Association of Realtors credentials ready. This usually includes your username and password provided during your MLS registration. If you don't have them, you may need to reset your password through your association portal. First, open your web browser and navigate to the official Miami Realtors or MLS Gateway login page. This is the main access point where you will find the Matrix system after logging in. Enter your username and password carefully, then click the login button to continue. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the Matrix MLS icon or tile. This is your entry point into the Matrix system. In most cases, it will appear directly on your dashboard under your available tools. If you don't see it right away, try logging out and back in. Or wait a few minutes for the system to refresh. Next, click on the Matrix icon. This will automatically redirect you to MLS Matrix platform. From here, you will be able to access property searches, saved listings, contacts, market tools, and other real estate features used by agents and brokers. And that's it. This way you can easily log into MLS Matrix Miami. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.